welcome back. We're going to be discussing about website hosting or website hosting providers. For you to have a very good website or a very good website that could be ranked highly, your website needs to be loaded fast. And it is not any web hosting service you see you try to use them because maybe they are cheap or expensive. So there are few things you need to find out what they can provide for you. So one of the ways you will be ranked higher is choosing the right web hosting provider. Web hosting is a type of internet service that allows individuals and organizations to make their website accessible via the World Wide Web, so that when somebody searches you, they will reach you or you'll be discovered. Okay, so you need to have or choose the right one. So the web hosts are companies that provide space or server owned leads for use by clients as well. Okay, so without waste of time, go back again to show you or give you a list of those I personally use. They are good, they give me what I want, load fast, so I will show you exactly what I mean. So here saying, do you need a web hosting provider? So you try to choose the best one. So these are the web host providers I use. I also market for them as well. It's simple. So anyone you want to use, if you have the one that is good for you, use. But I personally use this. I use this one, and at the same time I use this. Okay, this one is very cheap in price. They give me everything I want and SSL certificate for your online free. So I use them always, and HostGator as well. So like I said, one of the ways you'll be ranked on the first page of Google is choosing the right website provider. Because see, if your website is too slow, when people come to your website, first page, it takes time to load, they'll be frustrated and they want to leave immediately. So choosing the right one is very good. So let's go to see provider. Okay, it's one of the world's top 10 web hosting companies with more than this. Okay, so why choosing HostGator? It's very fast in loading, cheap in price. They have 24/7 365 support. So if you have problem, always go to them. Storage and bandwidth are on the tide. Okay, quick installations of software. So if you haven't designed as well if you're trying to design your WordPress, you haven't designed one, you can also use them as your provider. So then from your control panel you can then install your software, WordPress software. Okay, the same applicable to this one. You can see cheap in price and start as low as this. Okay, free, easy to use online site builder with drag and drop. Okay, one click WordPress installation and so much more. Ultra custom built Rank servers are optimized for website hosting with Intel Xeno processors, multi-terabyte drive arrays, dual power supplies, and 32 gigabytes of RAM. Okay, fast performance, reliable and scalable, 24/7 support. So I use this one also. So let me show you. So they are very nice, very good. Anything you want here, you can see here. It's very simple. So if you want to read more, you read further here. So if you have one you'll be using already, you continue. But I'm just telling you that if you want to be ranked on first page of Google, always go for those web hosting providers that are fast. Okay, so if you have question here, you can ask me. Otherwise, I will see you to the next class. Thank you.